So it is a 3 layer of aluminum and 2 layers of glass fiber. Okay. Okay, ठीक है. So now you just hold it. Now আমাদের এখানে কি করতে হবে এটা ওয়েব ম্যাট্রিক্স. How to set this software? This is web matrix software for your cyclic testing. Okay, how to set up this one?
First you have to open this console application.
Console application, okay.
Console application. After that you have to open install web metric application.
Okay, just do it from the beginning.
No, already opened it. This is the software application.
First you have to click on console.
First you have to click on the web metric.
Okay.
This is console application.
Console application, okay. Okay. Now
to open install web matrix.
Web matrix, okay. So web matrix is a software. Okay. Good. Now we have to
either if our method is already defined, we can directly go to test, or otherwise we can define our method here.
Method, okay. Click on method.
This one is our method.
This method is
here we have to enter few data points.
What are the data points? Yes.
Okay. First thing, this is two-stage testing. First is one ramp. It will originate from 0 and it will build up to a certain base load point, mean load point.
Okay.
And thereafter, according to our given amplitude data, the cycle portion will start.
Okay. So initially there will be state loading, continuous loading, constant loading, and then depending on the cyclic data, it will start testing.
Sir.
Okay.
So for our case, this is our maximum load, 15.44 km.
Okay.
This is our minimum load,
Okay.
1.544.
Okay.
So our mean load is 8.49.
Okay.
So in our ramp data, we have given the end point of the ramp would be 8.49.
End point. There is
8.49 km.
There is average load.
That is end point.
End point, but that is actually basically
For the initial,
average load.
Average load.
Okay. Okay.
So it would build up to that load till 20 seconds.
20 seconds. Okay.
In 20 seconds, it would build up to that load.
Okay.
After this, in the cyclic portion, we have to give this.
No. How you are calculating? All these are related to this one, na?
So first of all, we will do the tensile test.
Okay, just they have recorded and how they have basically come up from tensile test data to this value. Okay. Just do it. Just demonstrate na how actually you are calculating this one.
How you calculating it? So first we will do the tensile test of the any specimen.
You take the phone. You take the phone.
Okay.
Hello. Take the phone and record it.
Yes sir, he is recording.
Okay.
So first we will do the tensile test. So what is the maximum value we will find the UTS value. So that UTS value you can do the different kind of testing like 50% UTS load, 60% UTS load, 70% UTS load of the static Q sample. Now I am conducting at 50% stress ratio. For example, here I got 353 is the maximum stress. I am taking 50% of the UTS value. Okay. So that is the, for example, so this is 176.70 for the first one. Okay. So here after that we will find out the sigma mean value, sigma minimum value. So this is the formula in our sheet. For example, this is the maximum value. Okay. Sigma minimum value is equal to into 0.1.
10% of
into 0.1 because R value is equal to 0.1 I am considering. So 17.5. So here I want to find out the mean value. Okay. This is the formula. Sigma max is equal to sigma minimum plus sigma A. Sigma minimum is equal to sigma mean minus sigma A. So if you are substituting these values, you will get the sigma mean value. After that, this value, if you are substituting one of the equation, you will get the sigma A value. Okay. So this is the sigma max, sigma minimum you got, okay, and sigma mean you already there, and sigma A also there. 4 values is required. sigma max value, sigma minimum value, sigma mean value, sigma A value. Now I found this. Then after we need to enter the sum values for that P max, P minimum is required. Okay, P max is equal to, this is the formula, width is sigma minimum into width into thickness. Okay, similarly sigma max is equal to width into thickness. So if you have entered same values, you will get the maximum load and minimum load. Okay, so that is the maximum load and minimum load. So these are the basic parameters for the to conduct the fatigue test. Okay, after that we will enter the values like in that parameters list. Okay, in the software, then test will be conducted. Okay. So before conducted, we need to know, for example, tensile, 1 mm loading rate, 2 mm loading rate is there. That is a basic parameter. So like this only fatigue test, these are the basic parameters. By using this formula and equations, we will find out these equations, these values. Then if you substitute these values in the software itself, it will take that, it will take care of those values.
Okay.
For example, if you are conducted at 70% UTS, so 4 kind of samples.
Okay, 4 kind of sample. Okay, now how we are identifying, that is basically depending on the sigma max.
For example, he conducted 4 configuration of materials.
Okay.
4 UTS values I obtained.
Okay.
So I calculated for the each sample.
Each sample, okay.
So fine. These are the each parameters for the different samples.
Okay, got it. Okay, got it. Okay, so basically this basic data and this is the formula you are using to get these values.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Fine. Okay, now enter the data. Very good.
How much will be big?
So big size. Master sample.
70 parts. So after placing the sample in the instrument, you have to transfer the method of the controlling of the system. Here we have to transfer the method to load control setup. This one is our position setup, already had it. Now we transfer it to load control setup. This is a sample.
So sample safety, I think not.
This one is under project, it is saving. Okay.
Yes. Product sample. Earlier we use it to click the product sample.
Available for channel 1 only.
Okay.
So we are entering the position setup.
At that time only.
It would limit the maximum and minimum position. That time only you can use this document product. Now this is load control setup.
Got this warning.
So the maximum load 15.
15.4.
Minimum load
Minimum load 1.5.
the changes you have done?
So maximum value and minimum value we need to enter.
That is okay. That what the wording it was showing? Wording?
Limits.
Limits we have to place here, sir.
Which limit?
Maximum limit and minimum limit.
Okay.
In our sample, maximum limit is 15.44 kg.
Okay.
So we have given 20 kg as our maximum limit.
Okay. So okay. Since our maximum is 15.44, so we have given 20, and minimum.
Minimum 1.54.
1.54 we given -5. That is actually
-5.
0.
Okay. Okay. Now it is showing cyclic data. This is load versus time. Cyclic sinusoidal type loading.
Here 5.4, 15.44, 15 point.
Okay.
So 1.54. This would be around 1.5 and in between one.
Yes, I got it.
So that is the hysteresis.
It is hysteresis. The hysteresis, but the cycle is coming very nice. Very nice way it is coming.
So this is starting. Sir, will like initially it will take some error, like if any sample loading sample.
No, initial portion is fine, but the loop is coming very nicely. So you can calculate the loss factor from here. So what are that your interest? The parameter of interest?
So I want to find out the life cycle, like strain accumulation behavior.
Okay.
And the life durability.
How you identify life durability?
So maximum life durability in number of cycles.
Okay, number of cycle it can.
How much
before failure? How many cycle it is taking? Okay. ठीक है, स्टॉप करता हूँ. तो ऐसे ही चलेगा, बाद में क्लियर करेंगे. ये टोटल 4 का. और दूसरा का कितने? চেঞ্জ করা যাবে. বাই ডিফল্ট সেটা মানে 4টে দেখানোর কথা ছিল. এখানে 2টো গ্রাফ দেখাচ্ছে না, যতগুলো অ্যাক্টিভ উইন্ডো থাকবে সেটা এখানে করার কথা. ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল কি চেঞ্জ করা যাবে এখানে?
হ্যাঁ, এখানে চেঞ্জ করা যাবে. ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল গ্রাফগুলোকে চেঞ্জ করা যাবে.
আচ্ছা. We are selecting 2 situation like this. So this one is good. Okay. Acha, load over the time. Okay. Cycle elapsed time. How many cycles? Now this is only one cycle. One. Okay, last cycle 158. Okay, total cycle 159. What is the factor? 308? I don't know. 308. Now I'm thinking about that stress and strain. Only there is one loop. If there is only one loop, then it is easy to calculate your that loss factor. But you are saying that it is average stress versus average strain.
It seems like that, sir. There is only one loop only.
But strain will change over na with respect to time. The load wale, if you load is changing cycling, so after certain times strain will be more from places. Why it is coming within the 250 to 260? Why it is coming within the range? I don't know. And strain. This load displacement, load rate control, and distance and control. how much time it will take to finish?
So here we conducted one sample, first sample. At that time it took around 5.5 hours.
5.5 hours. So today how much it will take?
So it will take
5 hours. Okay, then stop it now.